I'm Shay Russell from mining.com.au. And joining me today is Robert Eadie, the CEO and President of Starcore International Mines. Robert, it's fabulous to see you again. How are you?
I'm great, thank you. Thank you for having us back again. It's always a pleasure to speak with you, and we really enjoyed our visit to the NUSA conference and to attend your event. It was great to see other passionate people on the other side of the world, passionate about mining and the professionalism and keeping it professional. So I really enjoyed our time there. It was great. Thank you.
Now, Robert, it was great to have you in Australia and have your Canadian eyes on the NUSA Mining Conference. So thank you so much for coming down. But let's talk about the capital raise that you're currently in the process of. I believe Starcore International Mines is in the process of wanting to raise up to 5 million Canadian dollars. Can you talk me through some of the details here?
That's right, Shay. We're going to raise $5 million at a share price of 25 cents with a half a warrant for 2 years at 35 cents. And we expect to, by the middle or third week in September, that we'll be finished with that raise. And we're very excited about that to put the money to work.
Robert, I've got to ask you, is this capital raising complete yet?
We're in the process of completing it. We're well on our way, but it is not complete. We're hard at work every day and contacting our existing shareholders and new shareholders, people who are interested in our growth story. And as I say, nothing is complete till the money's in the bank.
I noticed that you haven't gone through an equity raise in over 10 years. So this is a very unusual approach for you. Why is Starcore doing it this way?
Well, correct. My stance has been that we have production from our main mine, the San Martin gold and silver mine. And now I believe this is a personal view, which is shared by many people. We're into an incredible commodities market, silver, gold, copper being the highlight. And for us, it's time to accelerate our growth in the company. And so the easiest way for us is to inject cash. And so the $5 million will be directly invested in the project and in a new project that we have called La Tortilla, which is a high-grade, past-producing silver mine. And so by injecting the cash into it between now and 18 months, the company should be able to double at least its production and some more on the revenue side. And so that's why it's a key point for us and a very technical point in the market. Yes, the last 10 years worked for us by funding ourselves out of production. Now it's time for us to grow and to take advantage of these wonderful commodities prices and to be able to sell commodities into these prices. You know, I've been very happy for the last 18 and a half years selling gold. You know, it brings great satisfaction to be selling as well as discovering. And this opportunity came up. The mine's 2 hours away from us. So we're going to use existing infrastructure. So by March 2026, we feel we'll be fully permitted. Third week in November, all the documents that need to be filed will be filed. It's got a low point of entry for us. We're leasing the property with a 2% NSR. There's no big cash outlay for us. And we feel that the geologists feel that by March, when we get the permitting, we'll be able to start shipping ore. And so for a mine, that's very exciting.
It certainly is, because that's the whole point of a mine, is to extract the valuable minerals from it. Now, obviously, there's going to be a lot of work happening in the coming months, and it sounds like you will be producing more ore sooner rather than later. But what's some of the immediate news flow investors can look forward to hearing about?
Immediate news flow would be an increase in grade that we're producing, would be our carbonaceous ore finally being able to produce at a rate we'd like to, which is higher grade than our oxide ore, and the advancements on the Tortilla project. It's going to be a very busy but exciting time at the mine. And I just came from the mine 2 days ago. I'm still in the area and met with senior staff and our chief operating officer, and everybody's on the same page, going the same direction. And we're all very excited for this new mine in addition to what we're already producing.
Congratulations on your capital raise today and the future growth of Starcore International Mines. I look forward to future updates.
Thank you very much, Shay. Look forward to it as well.